Screenbox back again with another reaction video. Today we're gonna check out Iggy Azalea, F It Up. So the music video name. So we're gonna check out this and see what I'm gonna fit in it. Begin now.
Our high school
Well,
reunion?
not really.
Why would you want to go to that goddamn reunion? All those jerks ever did was ruin our teenage years. You know what? They can suck a shit.
Fuck a shit. Whoa. What's my hear down there? Yo, we not tell lies to about Iggy Azalea. Look. Damn. Listen, she know what she look sexy in. That's why she always use her body in her video. If you realize, Iggy Azalea is the one sexy piece of woman, bro. And she know that to dog. And she look good to my you. She look very beautiful, you see me? I cash dog, take no shit. Bombard.
Fucking it up. I be standing on the couch just fucking it up. Hey, fucking it up. I be in my own space just fucking it up. Hey, just fucking it up. You're getting money feel way better than busting a nut. Fuck it up.
Well, sister, getting money for you way better than getting a nut. Well, probably still not not gonna last for a few seconds, but yeah, when they get the nut, they feel good, bro. Money feel good still. You want to catch down the tick, bro? And I'm not many of them girls just register in it. That's the next thing.
30,000 on hundreds in the bag, that's what I stay with. If a bitch got smoke or pressure, I suggest right now you say it. He love when I sop it up, his favorite when the Iggy spray it. I got my coins, but still gonna look for him to pay it. News broke the net, I hate to be the one to say it. Barely show shit, and they still pay their last to praise it. Bitches man tight, they means they wanna have my baby. Barely ever out, but when I am, I'm looking like a lick. I grabbed his dick, I told him don't say shitty like my last flip. AP never ticky.
What the hell? What's the kids in that girl? Yo, the white boy, they must have said, whoa!
Just fucking it up, hey. Fucking it up. I be standing on the couch, just fucking it up, hey. Fucking it up. I be in my own space, just fucking it up.
Why are you standing there in our face?
Just fucking it up. You're getting money.
Like our pants, like that pants. Look good for her, you know what I mean? With the coloring and everything. You're twerking and this and that. Oh, you know what's funny? This reminds me of what them in and right now. Can I remember of Riverdale? Pops, Riverdale. I saw the Pops coffee shop or chocolate shop kind of look like. See, I like. Yeah, that's true. That's big free, man. That's huge, bro.
Can I help you?
Huge ass.
Hey, do you have like a business women discount?
Come again?
You know how like people have discounts for like elders and veterans and shit.
Excuse me?
We're successful business women, and we were wondering if you have a business women discount.
Why do I discount if you're not successful?
Business do you run? Let me go check on that for you.
High school, but fuck that. We're gonna go to the reunion and fuck shit.
Wait there, where the kids are come? Whoa! Shit! No, this is good, bro.
Just fucking it up, hey.
Whoa!
Fucking it up. I be standing on the couch, just fucking it up, hey.
Damn!
Fucking it up. I be in my own space, just fucking it up, hey. Just fucking it up.
Yo, that looks hot as shit, bro. Nothing like this. That suit there look good, bro. The blue and the pink together. Look hella good. Ah! Up on steer. That's crazy. Alright guys, to the end of the rest of the video. So Iggy Azalea, F It Up. Not lie. Really enjoy the music video, bro. The music video looking very well, you see me? Looking nice. So this is the end of the rest of the video. Enough love, peace.